Hi, this is Adele, and we're here today at our beautiful condo in Nuevo Vallarta. We just closed on this property about almost a year ago, and we were looking for a property manager because we were very concerned about leaving the unit closed up in this hot, humid climate and being able to repair anything if anything needed maintenance. We were concerned that that would be very difficult for us to keep up the quality of the unit without some assistance from a property manager. The onboarding process with Naya was very easy. They took an inventory, took photos, and advertised our unit on many sites and have gotten many renters in here already. We were very unsure about how to furnish and decorate our unit. What we really enjoyed about Crate is they had a very large selection of items to really fit anyone's taste. Crate really listened to our style and what we were looking for in our unit and helped direct us to furniture and decorations that would really bring everything together for how we want the unit to be. Naya has solved for us the overall maintenance of the unit, and just having somebody that we know is watching over the unit and making sure that it's taken care of has really rested our mind and eased that worry of being far away from our unit and not being able to take care of it properly. We do use the owner's portal also to check the calendar and see who's renting and how many people have reserved a space. So not only does Naya rent our unit and take care of it, but we are also able to come and enjoy our unit. They help us coordinate transportation, groceries, anything that we need to make our stay in our unit enjoyable. I would highly recommend Naya Homes to a friend. I think if you're investing in a property in a different country, it's very helpful to have somebody local to help you navigate everything, and having somebody to help greet and have your unit ready for renters. Naya is top of the line, making sure everything is taken care of.